Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you just switched to a Mac and don't know how to install apps? Don't worry, in this video I will show you the easiest ways to install application on your Mac, whether they are from the App Store or downloaded from the internet web browsers. By the end of this video, you will be able to install and manage apps like a pro. Let's get started. First, the easiest and safest way to install apps on a Mac is through the App Store. You can see here the App Store on my dock section. Click on App Store and open it first. You can also open App Store from the Launchpad. You can see here at the top Launchpad. Now just select the category, the app which you want to install. Then open it. Now you can see here get option. Click on get. Then you can see here the install option. Then click on install. Now sign in is required. Sign in into your Apple ID. You can see here my Apple ID. Click on get. Now provide your Apple ID password here. Then click on get. Now wait for the app to download and install automatically. You can see here on my screen. Once the installation is complete, you can open the app directly from the App Store, Launchpad or Applications folder. I will show you in this video. Let the installation and download process be done first. As you can see, the installation is done. There are three ways to open it. First, from the App Store, if you click on open, as you can see it is opening. It is open as you can see on my screen. Let's come to the second method. To open this application is from Launchpad. Open your Launchpad. Now you can see here the application. Open it from here. And the third step is open Finder first. Then go on Applications. Now search here for the app. Now you can see here the app. Click on it and it will open. But these three ways to open the application. Now let's come to the application downloaded from the internet. Many Mac applications are downloaded directly from developer websites. Here is how to install them. First, open any web browser and then download the file in DMG. The file should be on DMG because Mac supports always DMG extension. I have already downloaded the application. I will show you here the installation process. First, you have to download it from your browser. Now what you have to do, double click on the DMG file. Now you can see here the new interface. Now just drag this application to the application folder like this. And that's it. The installation will start automatically after this. As you can see here, wait for the installation to complete first. As you can see, the app is installed. We can open it from here Launchpad. As you can see here the application. Sometimes Mac does not allows you to open that app. So what you have to do, click on Apple menu first, then go on System Preferences, then go on Security and Privacy. Now you can see here 4 categories. Select privacy category first. Now here what you have to do, just unlock this lock. Provide your Mac password here. Now from here just tick the box you want to give permission. Then done. And sometimes you did not find the apps you have downloaded. For that what you have to do, open Finder. You can see on the left sidebar downloads. Go on downloads and from here you will get your downloaded files. Updating apps. If you want to update apps, just open App Store. You can see here on the left sidebar at the bottom updates. Click on updates. If there is any updates available for your application, you will see here, and from here you can update it directly. And let's know how to uninstall apps. For that, what you have to do, open Finder, then go to Applications. Before deleting the app, just quit it from your Mac, then drag it to the trash bin and provide your Mac password here if it asks for, and that's it. The application is deleted. It is already removed from my dock as well. So that's how you install apps on a Mac, whether you are using the App Store, DMG file. The process is simple. Once you know the steps, if this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Mac tutorials for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.